your English bestie.
Hey! Welcome back to Lexi Lingua, your English bestie. Today, let's learn 10 feeling adjectives in a fun way. Through a story first. Then we'll explain them, review everything, and finish with a quick quiz. Let's get started. Let me tell you a story about Alex, an ordinary student just like you. One Friday morning, Alex was feeling really off. Why? Because it was school trip day and he felt anxious about making new friends. He didn't know who he'd sit with on the bus. But when he finally got on, he was relieved to see his classmate Lily waving at him. He sat next to her and started feeling better. At the picnic area, Alex tripped and fell in front of everyone. His face turned red. Yep, he was so embarrassed. But then, everyone clapped and laughed kindly, especially Lily, who said, "That was a cool move." Now Alex felt kind of proud. Later, Lily invited him to play a group game. She was so cheerful, laughing and shouting with joy. But Alex missed the final point. His team lost. He was frustrated, but no one blamed him. They just smiled and said, "Good game." Alex felt grateful for such kind friends. As the sun set, there was music and dancing. Everyone looked excited, but Alex sat alone thinking of his family. He suddenly felt a little lonely. Just then, Lily came back with snacks and said, "Come take selfies with us." Alex smiled and felt really touched. That moment made his whole day better. Let's now go back and learn what these words mean. 1. Anxious, nervous, or worried about something. Example: I always feel anxious before a test. 2. Relieved, feeling better after being stressed. Example: she was relieved when the exam was over. 3. Embarrassed, feeling shy or uncomfortable. For example, I was so embarrassed when I said the wrong name. 4. Proud, feeling happy about something you did. Example: he felt proud after finishing his project. 5. Cheerful, happy and full of positive energy. Example: my mom is always cheerful in the morning. 6. Frustrated, upset when things don't go your way. Example: I felt frustrated when the printer stopped working. 7. Grateful, thankful for something or someone. For example, I'm grateful for my friends and family. 8. Excited, really happy and looking forward to something. For example, I'm so excited for the school trip. 9. Lonely, sad because you're alone or feel left out. Example: he felt lonely in a new school. 10. Touched, moved by kindness or a sweet moment. For example, I was touched by your kind words. Let's recap the 10 feeling adjectives: anxious, relieved, embarrassed, proud, cheerful, frustrated, grateful, excited, lonely, touched. Which ones do you feel today? Time for a quick quiz. I'll say a sentence. You guess the feeling. Ready? 1. I made a big mistake in front of everyone and turned red. 2. My friend surprised me with a birthday card. 3. I didn't study, and now I feel nervous before the test. 4. I finally passed the exam after trying 3 times. 5. I miss my old classmates. I feel so alone. How many did you get right? Tell us in the comments. Want to learn more fun words like these? Stick around. There's plenty more coming your way here on Lexi Lingua. your English bestie. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that bell so you never miss a lesson. See you next time.